Another senior figure in the Zimbabwe National Army has died, deepening unease inside the ranks at the time of a heightened political tension. Sabina Mashkobani questions another Zimbabwe National Army senior officer Colonel Dickson Mulilo dies. Wherever subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timina mchitiko chinochisa chavhundutsa veruzhinji pasara noma-questions achichii kuti chiri kumboitika munaumo kudani kwamchenzi. Colonel Dickson Mulilo, who was deployed to 4.1 Infantry Battalion in Masvingo, passed away in the early hours of Wednesday. Sources say he died at around 4 a.m. after collapsing near Aminas, a spot close to 4 Infantry Battalion that was known to frequent. The ZNA has not yet released an official statement on his death. At the time of passing, Colonel Mulilo has been seconded to Ministry of Mines and Mining Development in Masvingo. His death follows what on the heels of announcements by ZNA Commander Lieutenant General Ashawota Tafmane of the passing of Major General Richard Rwomdo, 72, who died at Harare Hospital on Tuesday. The back-to-back deaths of 3 senior officers in 1 week have fueled speculation over growing fractures within the security sector. Military analysts and serving members are openly questioning whether the timing of coincidental, especially with the controversial Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3, now law, and debates raging over command structures and political control. While no cause has been given for Mulilo's death, the mood in barracks and among veterans is reportedly tense, with the whispers that Cap 3 is unsettled part of the establishment. Ruwondo is survived by his wife, Louis, and 3 children. One has gathered at house number 92, Folly John Crescent, Glenlon, Harare. Burial arrangements for both officers are yet to be announced. Toma developments are pangwa na comment section medu za fungura aimot kudiba msrubi chitko ichi. So subscribe or like, chito on the bell icon.